Alright guys, it's Monday and you know what's gonna happen tomorrow already. Webinar day. Yes, I will insist this so many times. Telegram is just booming. We are having lots of interactions. I'm gonna explain my strategy. So I thought like, okay, I may explain my strategy, call it CARS, C-A-R-S, not cars like multiple car. It's just a different approach, a little bit more, I would say, systematic approach towards the market. And then I thought like, oh, okay, maybe I'll wait until next Tuesday so then people can join on the webinar and get access to the Telegram, and then I can explain for multiple persons at the same time. So then I thought, yeah, that's going to be a good idea. So I'm going to wait until tomorrow to explain my strategy. So if you're not on the Telegram, the way that you get access to it is accessing the link somewhere here to subscribe or to register, sorry, to my webinar for tomorrow, Tuesday, 7th of November. Wow, it's November already. And it's going to be 6 to 7 Australian time. So basically just have a look on what time we will be, where do you live. We always have, like last time we had 28 people, so it's very, very nice all around the globe chatting and, you know, deciding what trade take and what not. Okay, so what I want to have look today is, you know, during the week, what we're going to have as major events into the economic calendar, as well explain it what happened last Friday when we had the NFP, right? Because I couldn't do a video at 1 a.m. in the morning, so I'm gonna have to explain this today. So let's start with what happened on last Friday. So I get the numbers here on my front. So basically a few things happened, right? So we did had all of the major news from US coming weaker than expected. So the non-farm payrolls came weaker than expected, right? The average hourly earnings coming weaker than expected. So that means that people are getting less money for the hourly worked, right? This is not good, right? This is of course not good. I wasn't expecting this. I've mentioned for you guys, I was pretty bullish on the US dollar. Now my rhetoric is that we need to see the market picking up again, right? I still have two short positions on euro dollar and pound dollar, but that would be a short-term trade because we did bounce off from the consolidation in both of those pairs, in the GBP USD and the euro dollar, to the upside, right? Because US dollar weakness last Friday, and then euro, it's not that strong. Euro is not that strong, okay? Let me be very clear here. It's just a weakness of the US dollar that is making the euro and the pound get a bit of the strength, okay? But today we're going to have a very important news that is going to be the services PMI for Europe at 8 o'clock in the night. Let me check again. Yes, 8 o'clock for Australia time, we're going to have the services PMI for October. The previous was at 47.8 and the expected is no changes, 47.8. I do think it will come lower than expected, and then it will hint a bit of bearish on the euro side, okay? That would be all for today. We're just going to have the services PMI for today. For tomorrow, we're going to have the RBA interest rate decision, right? Most of the market, well, not most, it's actually half-half, is expecting a pause and another half is expecting a hike. In my honest opinion, I do think they will hike another 25 basis points, but I don't know what they will say on the rate statement. So we need to check what will happen on the rate statement as well on the press conference, okay? So that would be the two most important things. Now, if they don't hike, then Australian dollar would be very weak against stronger currencies, okay? So if you want to know what the stronger currencies, please, I will be doing this on my seminar, on my webinar tomorrow. It's easy, it's free $0 out of charges, nothing. The only thing that you need to do is register in the link somewhere here, or probably in the description of this video you can find it, and then, you know, wait for tomorrow 6 to 7 p.m. All right, guys, so this concludes my video. I'm gonna have all of the strategy broken down tomorrow for you guys on the Telegram channel, so get access to the webinar, so then you can get access to the Telegram, where I will share the link for access. All right, so have all a safe trading week ahead. There are plenty of opportunities going on at the moment in the market. I hope I can see you guys in my webinar tomorrow. All right, subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up on this video, and I see you in the next one.